Wilcoxon signed rank test is used to test that whether the medians of the two populations are they identical or are they different from each other. Now, if we just compare this Wilcoxon signed rank test with the sign test, then we can state Wilcoxon signed rank test is more powerful as a test compared to the sign test, because sign test just take into account the signs of the differences among the two types of measurements x and y that are related to each other, whereas the Wilcoxon signed rank test that takes into account the magnitude of the differences as well. So that is why it differentiates this test from that of the sign test. Wilcoxon in 1945 developed the test to observe whether a particular sample came from a population with specified mean or median. It is also used to assess that in pair of observations. So students, if you remember, whenever we talk about related samples, so that means we are talking about a pair xi and yi. So whenever we take this pair of observation, the second random variable in pair has the same mean as the first, whereas in a symmetric distribution, the mean is the same as the median. So rank test uses more information than the sign test, and that is why it is called as more powerful test as compared to the sign test. Whereas for weak scale of measurements, much information will not be available, so sign test is used instead of Wilcoxon test. Students, अब देखिए, by weak scale of measurement, we mean that we are talking about an ordinal scale of measurement. So that means the variables are to be measured onto the ordinal scale. So whenever the variables are measured onto the ordinal scale, we can make use of the sign test to make the comparison between the two medians. Whereas if we are talking about a higher scale of measurement, such as interval scale or ratio scale, then we can make use of the Wilcoxon signed rank test. The sign test utilizes only the signs of the differences between the observed values and the hypothesized median. For testing about the median, this Wilcoxon signed rank test, it takes into account the magnitude of the differences between the pair of observation. So Wilcoxon signed rank test is more powerful, it is more strong as compared to the sign test. So for weak scale of measurements, much information is not available. Sign test can be used instead of the Wilcoxon sign test, because under the Wilcoxon sign test, we assume that the variables are measured on continuous scale. That means they are measured using the interval or ratio scales. As far as the assumptions of Wilcoxon signed rank test are concerned, the first assumption is the sample consists of n values of the difference. The sample of xi yi pairs is random. That means if we are talking about the difference, it has to be di equals yi minus xi. And we are assuming that under the assumption 2, this difference has to be measured on a continuous random variable. So we declare that this particular di is a continuous random variable. The next assumption is the distribution of the population of each difference. That means if we are talking about all the differences, there will be d1, d2, so on up to dn. They are assumed to be following the symmetric distribution. The next assumption is that the differences are measured on at least interval scale of measurement. That is considered to be a higher scale compared to the ordinal scale of measurement. Whereas the last assumption is that all these differences, d1, d2, so on up to dn, are mutually independent.